personal chef and owner of Daily Squares Catering, and today I'm going to tell you how you can make the best pancakes at home. I like to use my griddle. It's cast iron. I think that makes the pancakes super crispy on the edges and gives it a nice even heating surface. If you don't have one of these, you can also use just a regular nonstick skillet. Also, when making pancakes, I like to use a lot of butter. It's best to butter in between each set of pancakes that you make. You want your surface to stay really well greased so that the pancakes don't stick, and it also makes them a little crispier on the edges as well. For your pancake batter, I find that you can use a ladle to get the perfectly round shapes. You can also use an ice cream scoop, super simple to do that as well. And if you're making multiple pancakes at a time, it's always good to leave your oven on a super low temperature so you can keep them warm while you're making the rest of them. So that's it. I'm Daneen Green, and that's how to make pancakes at home.